Hi students, so my name is Akshay Kadolkar and so this lecture for BCA second sem on numerical and the statistical method. As I told that in the earlier lecture, what I had told, so it means whatever the statistical part is there, it will covered by me. And in the last class, we discussed the syllabus for the statistical method. So for this statistical purpose there are two units are there. Okay, so this unit number fourth and unit number fifth. Okay, so in the unit number fourth this much contents are there for study purpose. Okay, as well as for this unit number fifth purpose of the measures of central tendency and the measures of dispersion. So this is the fifth unit. Okay, so now in this session we will see the first, it means fourth unit, which is the central is sorry statistical investigation and data representation. Okay, so whatever the contents are there, so we will see that one by one. Okay, so now see the first one, which is the meaning of the statistics. The statistic, it is the scientific tools. Okay, actually it is the scientific tools. So it means what, it is the concern with scientific method for collecting, organizing, summarizing, presenting, analyzing and interpreting of data. So the data, in the sense, it is the numerical data. The word statistic is normally referred either as numerical facts or methods. Okay, so this is actually the meaning of the statistics. Okay, so it's very simple to understand. So just statistic means what, the collecting, organizing, as it means what, it deals with the collection, analysis, interpretation as well as an presentation of numerical data. So it is the branch of mathematics. Okay, so actually it is the branch of mathematics, and it is used in the disciplines. Okay, such as in the accounting as well as economics as well as management and the physics, finance as well as the psychology and sociology. Okay, so this is about the statistics. Okay, so actually this statistic is broadly classified into two types, which is the what's the it is the descriptive statistic and the what's the inferential statistics. Okay, so now see what in by descriptive statistics. Okay, what in by descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics means what, it refers to the various measures that are used in describe the characteristics, features of the data. It means what, the describes the characteristics or the features of data, such as the, it means it includes the central tendency, measures of dispersion, etc. So for example the graphs, tables as well as and the charts and display data are also example of the descriptive statistics. Okay, so this is about the descriptive statistics. Now see what am I inferential statistics. Inferential statistic means what, it is the process of drawing valid inference about the characteristics of population data on the basis of sample data. It is nothing but the inferential statistics. Okay, so this is about the meaning of the statistics. So this is the statistics in the sense means what, it is the collecting, analyzing, interpreting. Okay, so summarizing so of the numerical data is nothing but the statistics. Okay, so now next slide, what's the functions of statistics. Okay, so there are so many functions are there of the statistics. So first one is what's to present facts in a proper quantifiable form. Second one, to simplify unvalid, unwieldy and complex data. To provide, third one, to provide the technique for making comparison. Fourth one, to formulate policies. Fifth one, to study relationship between different phenomena. Sixth one, to forecast future values. Seventh one, to measure uncertainty. Eighth one, to test a hypothesis. And ninth one, to draw valid inferences. Okay, so these are the functions of the statistics. Now first one, see, to present facts in a proper quantifiable form. Okay, so it means what, this statistical method presents general statements in a precise and definite form. Okay, so for example, you may say that in India average yield of cotton per hectare is 180 kg. Okay, so this statement is more precise and convincing than saying that the average yield of cotton in India is very low. Okay, so this is like this, it is the present facts in a proper quantifiable form. It means whatever the data is presenting by the way of the statistics, so it is very easy to understand. Okay, so this is about the functions. Next one is what, to simplify unwieldy means what, it is the heavy. Okay, heavy and complex data. Okay, so whatever the complex data is there, whatever the heavy data is there, so this heavy and the complex data is, it is done by the statistics in a simply way. Okay, you can do that in a simple way, which is the heavy and the complex data. Okay, so statistical method, it is the simplify unwieldy and complex data to make the unreadable easily. Okay, so which is we cannot unreadable, so that we can readable by the statistics. Okay, so this is about the function. Next one is a what's, so third one is a to provide the technique for making comparison. Okay, to provide the technique for making comparison. So this statistical tools and techniques, it's used for the comparison purpose of the data. Okay, so the primary purpose of statistic is it to facilitate a comparative study of different phenomena. Okay, either over time or space. Okay, so this is about the comparison making purpose of this statistic use. Next, to formulate policies in a different field. Okay, to formulate policies in a different field. So this statistics, with the help of this statistics, we can formulate the policies in a different fields. So it means what, it is are very useful in formatting various policies in social, in economic, and in a business fields. Okay, so the government utilizes what's the government utilize the information on consumer price indices or granting dearnesses allowances to its employees. Okay, so this is about the fourth function of the statistics. Next, fifth one is what, to study relationship between different phenomena. Okay, so the to study relationship between different phenomena. Okay, so with the help of this statistics, it is the functions, it's very important functions for the statistics, because so we can help of the with the we can with the help of the statistics we can study the different phenomena. Okay, such as the correlation and regression are used to study relationship between the two variables. Okay, so as well as such relationship are important for making decision purpose. Okay, so next one is a what, sixth one, to forecast future values. Okay, to forecast future values. Okay, so we can with can help with the help of the statistics, we can forecast the values. Okay, so it means what, with the using the statistical techniques are used for the forecasting future values of the variables. Okay, so on the basis of sales figures of the last 10 years, okay, a marketing manager can estimate the likely demand for his product during the next year. Okay, so like this can forecast with the help of the statistical techniques. Okay, next, to measure uncertainty. Okay, so to measure uncertainty, so this is the seventh function. So with the help of the probability theory, you can measure the chance of occurrence of uncertain events. Okay, so this is, as well as the probability concepts are quite useful in decision making. Suppose if you are interested, if you are interested in estimating the chance of your passing in the BCA second same examination, you may get an idea about it, the studying in the past percentage of students during the last 10 years. Okay, so like this we can measure the uncertainty. Okay, so next, eighth one, to test a hypothesis. Okay, so as well as ninth one is to draw a valid inferences. Okay, so statistical method are also useful in drawing inference regarding the characteristics of the universe on the basis of sample data. Okay, so like these are the functions are theirs of this statistics. Okay, so in the next class we will see the importance of statistics as well as the scope of statistics. Okay, so I hope you will be the understands, and just please all of you do the one notebook for the statistics method purpose. Okay, I will send you the notes. Okay, so if you have any doubt with this session, if you have any query, you can ask. Okay, by the way of call or by the way of the text. Okay, thank you.